It's no coincidence that you're here today. If you want to learn how to maximize your gains in the world of crypto, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. To succeed in the crypto market, you need a plan. A solid strategy saves you from random trades and helps you stay focused on your goals. Technical analysis, learn to read price charts and predict future trends. Fundamental analysis, understand the technology, team, and vision behind a coin before investing. Remember, when you move forward with the right strategy, your gains are just the beginning. Plan carefully, be patient, and keep moving toward your goals. The crypto market is full of opportunities, but ignoring risks can lead to big mistakes. The secret to winning without losing lies in effective risk management. Diversify your portfolio, spread your investments across different coins to minimize risk. Use stop-loss orders, limit your losses, and protect yourself from significant setbacks. When you control your risks, your gains become more sustainable and secure. Big success comes from smart management. The crypto market is filled with short-term fluctuations, but the biggest gains often come in the long run. HODL strategy. Invest in projects you believe in and hold on to them with patience. See the future. Understanding how blockchain technology is changing the world will help you make the right investments. Stay patient. The smart investments you make today can turn into massive gains tomorrow. Think big and focus on your long-term goals. In the crypto world, knowledge is your greatest asset. Continuous learning and staying informed will set you apart from the crowd. Stay updated, follow the latest news in the crypto world, and adapt accordingly. Learn new skills, master technical analysis tools and strategies to gain an edge. Remember, knowledge empowers you. Apply what you learn, seize opportunities, and turn insights into action. Success belongs to those who keep growing. You already have everything you need to maximize your crypto gains: strategy, discipline, knowledge, and patience. Now is the time to take action. You're not alone on this journey. Together, we'll achieve great success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon for more tips, bigger gains, and a brighter future.